11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 Pro Max batteries. Instructions for using the data recovery plug-in cable. First of all, let's take a look at the plug-in cable, which is divided into male seat and female seat. The female seat is buckled to the battery terminal. The male seat is buckled to the main board terminal. Next, we will install the operation. Push the battery terminals forward. Line in a straight line. Bend the terminal back. Then buckle the plug-in cable. After buckling, bend the outer side of the cable. You can see that the plug of the cable is the same as the original battery holder. Next, bend and shape the wiring of the terminal part. Install directly to the phone. Plug in the charging cable to turn it on after installation. Do not turn it on directly. Check battery health display after power on, unknown part. Shut down at this time. Plug in the charging cable and turn it on. View battery health display 100%. At the same time, no pop-up window prompts, unknown parts. Individual machines need to be restarted 2 to 3 times to refresh the data. Most of them only need it once. The operation method of 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, and 12 Pro Max models is the same.